Moving on, the next major category of questions asked in the numerical reasoning section are based on simple interest and compound interest. We'll look at some examples in this section too. To answer the questions based on simple interest and compound interest, you just need to know some basic formulas. Mostly, the questions are substitution based, where you substitute the value of known quantities to find out the unknown. There are three basic quantities which form the core of any question in this section: principal P, rate R, and time T. The relation connecting these three quantities is given as simple interest, denoted as SI, equal to P into R into T divided by 100. Also, the amount obtained at the end of the time duration is obtained as the sum of principal and simple interest. That is, amount equal to P plus SI. Let's understand the application of this equation using an example. A sum invested in 5% simple interest grows to 504 Indian rupees in 4 years. What will the same amount grow into at 10% simple interest for 2.5 years? Let's see the options: 548 Indian rupees, 520 Indian rupees, 536 Indian rupees, and 525 Indian rupees. As you can see, you have been given the values for rate R and time T. R is given as 5% and T equal to 4 years. The initial sum invested is not given. We can assume it as P Indian rupees. Also, amount at the end of 4 years is given as 504 Indian rupees. So, using the equations discussed earlier, we can find out the value of P. What is the equation? Principal plus simple interest equal to amount. That is, P plus PRT by 100 equal to 504. Substituting values for R and T, put R equal to 5 and T equal to 4 in the above equation. What do you get? P plus P into 5 into 4 divided by 100 equal to 504. Try solving this to get the value for P. Finally, you get the value of P as 420 Indian rupees. Now, we have to use the same principle at a new rate and time to calculate the amount. So, again, substitute the value of P, R and T in the equation, amount equal to P plus PRT by 100, which is equal to 420 plus 420 into 10 into 5 by 2 divided by 100. From where did we get 5 by 2? Time is given as 2.5 years, which becomes equal to 5 by 2. So the final amount is 525 Indian rupees, corresponding to option D.